If you're a true muscle car lover, then this 2026 Ford Mustang GT500 is something you don't want to miss. It's bold, powerful, and designed to leave a lasting impression on the road. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 GT500 takes muscle car aggression to a new level. Under the hood, it houses a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine known as the Predator, delivering a jaw-dropping 800 horsepower. This isn't just power, it's raw American force. The front design remains iconic with a more aggressive, sharper grille that allows for better airflow and enhances the car's bold presence. The lights have been redesigned with a sleeker LED pattern that looks fierce during the day and menacing at night. The bumper is sculpted for performance with wider vents, giving it an aerodynamic advantage while looking incredibly sporty. Moving towards the wheels, the GT500 is equipped with 20-inch carbon fiber wheels, offering both reduced weight and improved performance. From the side profile, the car looks muscular with deep character lines running across the body, reflecting its racing DNA. The side glass is elegantly shaped to flow with the aerodynamic design, providing excellent visibility and contributing to the car's seamless silhouette. Around the back, the quad exhaust system and a newly designed spoiler enhance downforce while giving the GT500 that aggressive muscle car look from behind. The rear lights retain the signature 3-bar style but with a modern LED twist. Door handles remain flush with the body, adding to the clean, performance-focused aesthetics. Every detail screams speed, power, and precision engineering. Moving inside, the 2026 GT500's cabin is as impressive as its exterior. The dashboard is a blend of traditional muscle and futuristic tech, wrapped in premium materials like Alcantara and carbon fiber. The LCD screen is larger, clearer, and more user-friendly, offering everything from performance metrics to infotainment at your fingertips. The side doors are sculpted with soft leather padding and carbon trims, making them both beautiful and functional with easy-to-access controls. The gear selector is now a rotary dial, giving it a more modern and luxurious touch, yet it doesn't lose that mechanical satisfaction when shifting. The start button is prominently placed, glowing red, reminding you that this is no ordinary car, it's a beast waiting to be unleashed. The steering wheel is flat-bottomed, covered in Alcantara with racing-inspired stitching, offering paddle shifters for complete control during spirited driving. Both the front and rear seats are wrapped in high-quality leather, offering exceptional bolstering to keep you secure during high-speed maneuvers while remaining comfortable for longer journeys. A unique feature is the center console table between the rear seats, perfect for holding small items or resting your phone during the ride. Lastly, the cargo space, while not massive, offers decent storage for a sports coupe, making it practical enough for weekend getaways or even a short road trip. This interior perfectly balances race-ready performance with everyday luxury, offering you the best of both worlds. The expected price of the 2026 Mustang GT500 starts from around $95,000, depending on your customization options. Given the performance, engineering, and features packed into this car, it remains a strong competitor in the muscle car market. In conclusion, the 2026 GT500 is not just a car, it's a statement of power, speed, and American heritage built for true driving enthusiasts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews and latest auto updates from TurboXcel. TurboXcel.